Hey everyone, you want to lose some weight but don't know where to start? You have your dream body in mind but want to push it into real life. Don't worry, we're here to tell you how to start your sports plan. Start by selecting your workout scheme. Eager to jump right into your exercise plan, I bet? Hold your horses for a bit, as you will have to consider what kind of workouts will be in your list for your goal to shed layers of fat. First, you will have to gauge how well your body reacts to having engaged in strenuous activities. As a newbie in the world of exercising, chances are you will injure yourself by selecting an intensive workout plan just so you can get rid of your fats instantly. But then again, you have to put active exercises in your list, as it would be counterintuitive to just do a few movements that consume small amounts of calories instead. If you are looking for a good exercise to add in your plan, you can consider burpees and mountain climbers as your main exercises. How to do burpees? Burpees are good exercise as it fully engages lots of muscle groups in our body. Though it honestly looks difficult to perform, especially when you have lots of fats impeding your movement. But behold, you can still do it as long as you practice the moves very well. You can start by doing half burpees, whereas you do not need to perform a single rep of push-up when you are in a plank position. Basically, you will just have to start in a planking position, then pull your knees towards your stomach by a hop and stand. Do this repeatedly to get the hang of it. Once you can feel that you can perform half burpees efficiently, you can slowly condition your body to perform full burpees. The goal is to do 3 sets of 10 burpees in 30 to 40 seconds at first. How to do a mountain climber? Same with burpees. This exercise does not require any other equipment aside from the body and the floor. So go in a push-up position and perform this workout as best as you can. To perform this exercise, put yourself in a push-up position, then alternately pull your knees towards your stomach while maintaining the position of your upper body. Practice this movement for a while, then slowly pick up the speed. For it to be efficient, start by doing 3 sets of 30 seconds every day. Consider doing high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Once you're familiar with the movements required for your exercises, raise the intensity appropriately for each set or frequency. If you feel that each exercise is too easy to do after your improvements, you may consider performing them as high-intensity interval training. Performing your exercises in HIIT. HIIT exercises are very effective if you are dedicated to your weight loss. To perform your mountain climbers in HIIT, position yourself as how you would normally do it and perform the exercise as fast and as many times you can do in a set period of time. Same to burpees, you will need to perform them as many times as you can in a set period of time. Make sure that you are performing the exercise in the proper posture to ensure that you get the most from it. Dedication is the key. Can you feel your fats burning now? If not yet, then continue doing it. Dedication is the key. Set yourself a time where you will surely do the needed exercise to achieve that dream beach body of yours. Remember, you do not need to do each exercise every day. But during the first month, it's better to do it every day if you're not familiar with the sport. Plan your schedule well and make sure to never miss your workout plan. Get enough rest. Exercise is good, but exercise done with proper resting is better. By resting, you will allow your muscles to recover and grow stronger. Eat and drink the right food. As they say, 70% of what affects weight loss is what you eat. If you want to burn your fats, then watch what you consume. I hope you love this beginner training plan and are going to try it. Don't hesitate to tell us your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.